What's up guys, we've got a 2017 Mustang here in this beautiful maroon. What we did on this vehicle, as you can see, it's got aftermarket wheels on it, these beautiful 3-piece wheels, and it has a body kit on it. Slight modifications, and it has the side exiting exhausts. So what we've done to this vehicle, it came into us from, it was one of our other previous vehicles. The client owned this other car, which is a 118, the blue one. I'm sure you guys know the one I'm talking about with the eyelids. It came in, it had a problem with the rear spoiler. The rear spoiler was removed, and we refitted the spoiler on for the clients. You know, this is something that we are very used to doing at Salomon Brothers. So we told the client, listen, there are other aspects of the vehicle that require attention, and I'm going to run through the things that we actually did for this client. So first of all, we did our signature package. That is the 2-stage polishing, the full cleaning, interior, exterior. The wheels, they were removed. I don't know if you want to check this out. So these, excuse me. So these wheels were removed and all polished. And once they had the polishing done, the ceramic coating was done to the applied on top of that. That was Dlux by CQuartz applied. That was applied on the brake hats and on. So we applied ceramic coating on the brakes, the actual calipers themselves, all round, and on the brake hats, so that when we put the wheels on, there's no issues with rust. There was rust on these parts. That was all removed, cleaned off the face, the back part of the off the rim, and then we reapplied them. So what else did we do? We've got our 5.0 kit. This is available at the moment through us. We did this in gold to match the wheels. Our universal pinstripe that was applied here on the side mirrors on both sides. And then we also did the blackout delete on these 2 side markers. I think it really ties in nicely with this black throughout the vehicle. On the back badge where the GT sits, we also put that GT in gold. That gold overlay is also available through us. So guys, if you have this vehicle and you want to, you know, pizzazz it just in a subtle way, we have these little things that we can add, you know, a little bit of spice to your vehicle. Those come in a few colors, so get hold of us. We will tell you what colors are available. So just to get back to you with what we've done on this vehicle, we did the cleaning, we did the polishing, we did the ceramic coating on the body. What coating did we use? We used UK by CQuartz. That's the 3.0 applied throughout the vehicle, and As you can see, the luster that we get from this product, it's incredible. Amazing results and flawless every time. I hope you guys like what I've showing you today.